Okay, well, the car is having trouble starting. It idles rough. It runs kind of herky-jerky. I changed the plugs in it last year, regasketed, did all that, and now this year, it's starting to not start. So we're going to replace the O2 sensors and the camshaft timing sensor. On this car, there's two oxygen sensors. One of them is right here. It's really easy to get to. And then the other one's down underneath on the catalytic converter. So we'll go ahead and see if we can get this one here out. And then we'll do the other one, and then we'll get up here and do that camshaft timing sensor. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is to remove one of the battery cables, disconnect the battery. So, okay, the band back here on this air intake looks to be a 10 millimeter. So we'll go ahead and loosen that up. And that looks pretty good. And off everything comes. One nice easy piece. Okay, back to that wire that goes down to the O2 sensor. It's right here. It comes along, goes through this bracket here, down here. Let's see if we can pull this out of here. Okay, I got it loose, and what I used was propane, a little propane torch. plugs in like so, and then just slide right back down into the hole there, and then just bolt it down, back down, and you're good to go.